So there's a powerful storm going on right now. It's been going on for about, I'd say 20 or 25 minutes. And we might lose power because the wind's really powerful. And I think you guys just saw that big flash of lightning too. Ew, whoa. Whoa! Wow. Look at my chair. That is half tipped over. That has got to be some wind. Wow. That is one powerful storm. Wow. That is powerful. Wow. I was going to make some videos earlier, but the storm wasn't powerful enough. And, whoa, right now is the perfect moment. The storm's all powerful. There's plenty of lightning. Whoa. Lightning bolt. I'm getting a little freaked out now. The wind has stopped, but I'm kind of getting freaked out with the power here. The power might go out because I'm just kind of a little nervous that there might be a the power might go out because of a water shortage. And whoa, I think that I don't know if that was cloud to ground lightning. Holy crap! I know I made other videos of storms, but I don't think I made a video of a storm this powerful. Now this is a severe thunderstorm. Whoa! Whoa! That is bright lightning. Whoa! Nah! And now I'm getting even more freaked out. I'm getting nervous. Okay. Hey guys. Okay. Please subscribe, rate, and comment on this video. Because this is one awesome storm. One powerful storm. Whoa! Oh my God! This is so awesome. But this kind of freaks me out a little. You know, it might do something to the power lines. Might cause a water shortage. Okay, guys, bye. I've videotaped enough.